Hello, Fragrance World. Welcome back to another 3 in 3. I'm Grace, this is Justin, and this is where we talk about 3 fragrances for a specific occasion in 3 minutes or less. And we created this series because sometimes you don't have 10 or 15 minutes to watch a longer video, but you want some great recommendations, and we tried to keep it really practical and simple so you can pick the occasion, watch the video, order some decants, order the full bottles, and try something new.
So today's theme is sweater weather. Our first video in this series was called Cozy Scents. So things to wear at home when you're just lounging around, maybe with a loved one or a crush or a friend or whatever it may be, but at home on a cold day. This time we're talking about being outside, kind of being out and about, maybe out in your neighborhood or taking a walk or maybe at a cafe, getting some work done, but casually. So you have a sweater on, as per the name, sweater weather. And our first pickup here, again for the guys, if it sounds good to you, no matter who you are, check it out. But we have Aimez-Moi, Comme, Suis from Caron. This is a fragrance based on tobacco. So tobacco is a pretty warm and casual note, at least it can be depending on how it's used. In this case, it's used with a lot of woody vetiver, a little bit of hazelnut, which brings a very interesting quality nuttiness to it. So it is kind of cozy and casual, but there is a little bit of a handsomeness to it that it's perfect for just kind of being out of the house, being present with people.
Love it. For the ladies, we have a delicious Roja fragrance called Aoud, which is one of the fragrances that you really don't need to pay a ton of attention to the note breakdown. It's primarily a rose and oud fragrance, but to me it kind of smells a little bit like a warm bakery with those sweet pastries, and it's just a very warm, cozy, delicious fragrance. Also incredibly unisex. Honestly, anything is unisex, but it's lovely.
And our last one up here, this is one of the newest from the house of Fragrance du Bois. They call this Secret Tryst. And I do consider this kind of a sexy, elegant scent, but there is a warm, ambery quality to this that makes it really easy to dress up in a sweater. I'm smelling it in the air right now. I took the cap off.
So
it's awesome. It's kind of an incense and amber. So you have olibanum, which is technically incense, with this warm, sweet, kind of vanilla-like amber in there. It's a little spicy as well. It's kind of a subdued fragrance. It's not going to scream off the skin. So I think that makes it nice to be very casual, to just, have that warm aura around you. It is kind of alluring, but because it's not so loud and in your face, totally casual, works perfect in a sweater on a cold day out. That is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let us know if you've tried any of these fragrances down below. And if you haven't, there's going to be links in the description to check them out. See you in the next one.